May I come in, please?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you.
Welcome.
May I have a seat, please?
Sure, please.
Thank you so much.
Well, so now I'm going to take your speaking test. Ready to answer me?
Yes, I'm ready.
Nice. So firstly, I'm gonna ask you some questions regarding yourself, your likes and dislikes, and many more. So I think you're ready to answer me, right?
Yes, I'm ready.
Firstly, what is your name?
My name's Nusrat Alam Mila, but you can call me Mila because that's my nickname.
You have a nice name. And Mila, where are you from?
I'm from Naranganj, Chashara to be more exact.
Well, Nila, what class do you study?
Currently, I'm at college.
Nice. Do you like going to college?
Yes, I do. I enjoy going to college.
Why do you go to college?
I go to college at 10 o'clock.
How do you go to college?
I usually go there by bus.
Who is your best friend at your college?
My best friend is Samira.
You have a nice friend. And then how many friends do you have there?
Not much. I have a few friends.
Do you like studying with your friends?
Yes, I do. Studying with my friends is always enjoyable.
What do you like about your college most?
I like my friends, my friendly teachers, the environment, and mostly the canteen foods.
Thank you so much, Samira. So you have done your test with me. And
Thank
okay.
you. No, I'm not. স্যার এগুলো কোথায় আসলে এগুলো ছিল আমার
আর ওইগুলো তো জিজ্ঞেস করবো আগে একটা ইন্ট্রোডাকশন থাকতে হয় না বলো ইয়েস সবকিছুর জন্য রেডি থাকতে হবে বলো ইয়েস ইয়েস নো বলতে কোনো শব্দ নেই আর জোরে কনফিডেন্টলি ওকে এন্ড সামিরা ডু ইউ লাইক স্টাডিং উইথ ইউর ফ্রেন্ডস
My name is Mila.
সরি